Today by this activity, we are going to understand two concepts. The concept of diffusion and also the size of particle of matter. Here in apparatus I have a beaker full of colored solution. You can take solution of any color like orange, red, etc. or you can take chemical like potassium permanganate which will give purple color solution. Test tube stand, 4 test tubes. The procedure for the practical is I am going to take a test tube filled with 50 ml water in which I am going to add colored solution 10 ml. Is it clearly observed that the solution turned to orange color? From the same test tube, I am going to add 10 ml of solution in the next test tube. It is observed that this test tube is also colored, but you can compare the color of first test tube and second test tube. Putting the first one aside, I am taking the next test tube, adding 10 ml of water from second into the third one. Putting the second aside, I will take the last test tube, adding 10 ml of water from third to the fourth test tube. Stirring the test tubes properly and putting it aside, I can see that the particles of matter are so small that they are visible even in the fourth test tube after repeated dilution. Also, these particles of matter are diffused in liquid. Diffusion is a process of intermixing of particles of matter. Thus, by this activity we can prove two things, that particles of matter are minute. Also, particles of matter can diffuse with each other.
To enroll in the classroom program of Be Unique Academy, you can contact to the details given on the screen and in the description box. Hoping that this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, press the like button. Also do share it with your friends. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for being updated with more videos. Thank you.